Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get old Binance account, full guide. Begin by gathering your account email, phone number, and any transaction details you remember. Start with a calm mindset and prioritize accuracy while searching email archives and old devices. Next, attempt password recovery using known emails and phone numbers. If that fails, collect ID, transaction screenshots, and communication logs to speed up support verification and recovery. Start with the password reset flow using the registered email or phone number and follow prompts carefully for verification codes. If codes never arrive, check spam and archived folders and try alternate recovery emails you may have used. Avoid multiple rapid attempts that trigger locks and instead document each step. If you still can't access the account, prepare ID and transaction evidence for support to confirm ownership and escalate the case. If you are finding this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more guides. Quick recommendation: grab the Simple Path to Wealth for insights that change how you approach saving and investing, and it pairs nicely with securing crypto accounts by improving financial habits. I find it practical and easy to read, and it complements the recovery steps we cover here. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. When contacting support, use the official Binance Help Center and submit a comprehensive ticket with ownership evidence and transaction details. Attach clear photos of your ID and include timestamps or screenshots that prove account activity. Be concise but thorough in your description and keep a record of ticket numbers and replies. Respond promptly to any follow-up questions to avoid delays and increase the likelihood of a successful recovery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.